after the massive flooding which occurred in the capital town of Ghana, which is Accra. In fact, there were a lot of houses which were being consumed by water. It's very, very serious. And after the event, the president of Ghana had to fly a helicopter and then analyze the extent of the harm being caused. You see, even the president was heart threatened because of the state of this flooding. Now, there was something that I noticed, and that is alarming. There was a heap of rubbish, a heap of refuse, which the water was pushing. In fact, this heap of refuse was too much. And one thing that came into my mind was, how come this heap of refuse was locked up in the drainage system of these cities? It was you and I who led to this. We shouldn't be throwing refuse about just like that. Also, when we notice that our gutters are being choked, you and I, because we are the ones staying close to the gutters, take it upon yourself to drain those choked gutters. Because if you don't drain the choked gutters, it will go a long way to harm you. And also, majority of people, when they are buying lands, they know that this particular land is waterlogged, but yet still they will buy it, and then they will pile a lot of soil on it for them to raise up their building. Because you have blocked the pathway of the water, definitely when it rains consistently for a long period of time, it will start flooding where you are, because that was the actual pathway for the water and you have blocked it. All these are some of the contributing factors of this flooding. So this is the natural disaster that we experienced, and as a physician assistant, I think that is also something that I need to talk about, because looking at this refuse, huge pile of refuse that the water was moving about, is very heart threatening. So we need to ensure sanitation, because sanitation is very, very key in order to prevent this flooding. It has led to a lot of houses, a lot of companies, even some people died as a result of this flooding. It was very, very serious. Flooding, just look at this. Look at the extent of the flooding. If you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.